Hey guys, welcome back to What Would Daria Wear. I wanted to come and do a short tutorial on how I achieved this wand curled big look on my Yvonne Kinky curly hair. So stay tuned. All right, so I've already combed through my hair with this brush, kind of detangled it. I did have wand curls already, but they kind of like were losing form. Just over the period of 5 days. So I wanted to redo them and show you guys how I do it. Let's see, I'm going to use this Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray to hold the curls. And then, like I said, I have this little detangling brush and this Sultra wand curl. I think this is like 1 inch. Got it at BeautyCon for free. Not bad. But I'll just start by I want to start and do it with small sections because I don't want it to be too fluffy. Just comb through it one more time, one more again. And I got this hair installed last Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday evening when I first got to Charlotte. Let's see what it looks like without the. And you're kind of like twisting it in the midst of wrapping it around. Okay, that one came out good. Let's see. It's been a minute since I've wand curled kinky curly hair. So I can't remember how I used to do it like years ago. It's been like 2 years. Because I usually just wear this hair just straight up curly, like wet, with products on it or whatnot, or sometimes not even products. I'll just usually do like a twist out on this hair. But this time I wanted to do like a even bigger hair than I usually do. And as you can see, I have a good amount of my hair, not a good amount, but enough for me to do my top knots. That's all I usually leave out when I do sew-ins because, you know, I'm a top knot queen, okay? Let's see. And again, just kind of twisting it as I am wrapping it around. All right, I'm liking that. Maybe I'll start making bigger chunks now. Not that big. And I probably should start at the bottom. Start at the bottom, guys. I'm all over the place. Comb through it. Spray. Wand. Twist, twist, twist. Hold. Okay. All right. Let's see.
Finally, it has happened to me right in front of my face. My feelings can't describe it. Finally, it has happened to me right in front of my face, and I just cannot hide it. Finally, it has happened to me right in front of my face. My feelings can't describe it. Finally, it has happened to me right in front of my face, and I just cannot hide it. Getting Mr. Right, the man of my dreams, the one who shows me true love, or at least it seems. With brown cocoa skin and curly.
So now I need to wand curl my leave out. I almost need to get like a smaller barrel curling iron maybe, but I'm gonna try and see if I could do it with this wand curler without burning the hell out of my hair. Thank God I got through it without burning myself again. But I'm gonna put some edge control on these edges. Got the 24-hour edge tamer, extra mega hold. This is like a little brown case. They all look the same to me in the store, but you know, we'll go with it. I think me like kind of trying to wand curl my hair with my actual weave, my leave out with the weave, is a good way to help it blend. And what I'm gonna end up doing is doing a video on how I maintain it, because I don't plan on obviously doing this every day. Maybe every other week or every week, for the most part, depending on how it looks. Because obviously over time, when it gets more worn looking, it actually looks better. So I'm gonna do it just like I do my little finger comb wigs. We gonna finger comb on through. Bring it to the front. Don't want to put too much because I don't want to really wash this as often either. So now this just it's gonna make it bigger. Oh man, I messed that one up. We just gonna tuck and roll, okay? Tuck and roll. And now if you feel like your hair doesn't blend well enough, you can always just, you know, do a little cute, something like that. Or get rid of the part and do something like that, which is probably what I end up doing, because it doesn't look bad the way I had it. Doesn't look bad now, but it may look even better just kind of clipped on up. Like so. I have little baby bobby pins. Oh, these are regular. I don't wear my baby bobby pins. Okay, there we go. Got my baby mini bobby pins. I'm gonna use those to kind of put my hair up. This hairdo or this weave reminds me so much of one of my finger comber wigs, the Kinky Wave 2. So if you don't want to go through all this and get a sew-in and all that stuff, you want something a little more convenient, definitely invest in a finger comber wig, the Kinky Wave 2. This is the same exact look. Only difference is that this is human hair, human kinky curly Brazilian hair, and I just chose to go the sew-in route this time. But again, you could just get a finger comber wig, the Kinky Wave 2, and use my discount code DLOLO to get expedited shipping for free, or to just get expedited shipping. Yeah. I love it. I love it. I love it. Got it. Got it. Done. Hair is all blended in. My install was done by Treese. She's located in Charlotte. She blew out my these, because obviously this is a Brazilian kinky curly hair, 20 inches. All three bundles. I washed and conditioned it, and then I blow dried it myself, but I didn't do a great job, so she ended up having to go back over it just so we can get the look. And she also wand curled it for me, but it had been like 5 days, and you know, just traveling and all that, I was like, well, let me do it over so I'm ready for the work week. But if you're in Charlotte and you need someone to sew your hair in, definitely check her out. I'll also provide the links for the actual hair, the Yvonne Kinky curly hair. This is 20 inches long. I got 3 bundles, and it's very, very affordable, and it doesn't take long to get here to the States. I ordered it on Saturday and I got it on a Tuesday through, I think it was DHL. So I just love Yvonne hair because I've been using it for years, probably going on 5 years. I've been using it every summer, but now I'm like wearing it all seasons. So yes, I really appreciate you guys checking out my wand curl tutorial on my Yvonne Kinky curly hair. If you want any other tutorial, definitely leave it down in the comments, and I'll see you guys soon.